Welcome to Origami Club. Today I would like to share you my experience to make a Canadian goose. Okay, this is a goose that I made with the regular white paper. Okay, I put my goose here so it can stand on the table. It stands well, but I would like it to like this way. Now I take a paper. This is the regular white paper. Because I have a printing store and I have many white papers, but this paper is too thin to print. It can cause the paper jam for my printer. So the supplier supplied me not very good paper for printing. I will use for my origami work. Okay. Need a square shape. It is regular letter sized, 8.5 by 11, 8.5 by 11. So I need square shape. I will cut a part of the paper to get a square shape. This is my scissor. Okay, cut it. If it is not perfect cut, no problem. Most of the parts will be folded inside. So now I will fold this corner to this corner to get this line. And I will rotate the paper this way. I will align the bottom line to the top line. I will fold up and I rotate again. Same way I will align this line to the up line. And then I get 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you see the paper is this shape. I will push the 2 corners inside, and I will push this way to get a square shape. Now the square shape I have here is closed, here is opened. From the open side, I fold down this part from the center line, from here down, to change it into a triangle. Okay. And then here I can open and close. So I will use this part. I will fold this line, align the center line. I will fold it this way. The other side, same way, this line to this line. Okay. Okay. Now I will push that way. I will fold back again. The purpose is to make this line softer for the next step. And then I will push this corner inside. So align the lines that I made it just now. So I push it inside. Here also same way, I open from the corner. I push this corner inside. push it inside. You see, closely. Before it was like this. I just fold it this way, and then I fold it back to let this line softer for folding. And then I push from this corner. You see here. I push from this corner, and I let this corner go inside. Here also, I push from here, this corner inside. So I rotate the paper this side same way. I will fold this way. I will fold it this way. If you have enough patience, you can fold back again to be easier to push the corner inside. This line is very soft, so when we will push this corner inside, it will be easy. So I push it inside. Push it. See here. So this side same way. I push this corner here inside. Okay. So I get a shape like this. So these are all not so difficult. The difficult is here. I will push this corner also inside. So firstly, I create a line, this line. Then I fold from half. The point will touch the line. So, and I fold back. And up again, back again, up again. So several times. The line here, the line will be very soft. And now I will open my paper this way, and I will push from top. You can see a small squares inside. And now I will push it inside. I will use my fingers. Here is difficult, but in future, in some more 3D shape, this technique will be often used. Okay, so we push it inside. Okay, and now I will, here you see, here the polygon that we made before, by push the corners inside, and now I will fold these two small triangle together to get this shape, and I push this triangle back, and I get the shape like this. Okay, and then I pull down this triangle, and the opposite same way I pull down triangle, I get this shape. And now I will let this line, triangle line, to touch this point. Okay, so I fold, you can see this line, this point touch. Okay. And this side same way, this side, this edge touch this point. Okay. And now here I see a triangle, small triangle. I will pull back the triangle top. Okay, as top as possible, as high as possible. Sorry for my English. My first language is Chinese, second language is Russian, and then I learned English and French. So I'm in Quebec. French is very important for communicating with locals, especially when I working in my printing store. Okay, I fold this corner inside and this corner also inside. So we get this shape. And now I will open from here, fold from that way here, so same way. Before it was here, this shape, I open my polygon this way, and then I will fold the edges to align the center line. So fold. Another side, same way. So the corner also fold this way. Fold this way. So fold it well, and then I will, with my thumb inside, my finger, use my finger, and I fold the paper to get a neck of my Canadian goose. And then I will fold again, fold like this, and then I push the point inside and outside, and then I get the head of my Canadian goose. You see? Okay, sorry, I get out of the camera. Okay, so I repeat again. Okay, I pull down, and then I pull down again, and I put this inside one time and outside, and I fold it like this. Okay, and now I will already have my Canadian goose, the shape. So I will push this corner inside a little bit, this way. And I will create a tail. So a tail is also a little bit difficult. Okay. So I fold from the center. This line touches the small line here. The small line here. So I fold this way. Fold back. And then I put my finger inside. I pull this way with my thumb, and I'll let it fold down from side. Okay, this is the tail. And then I will make feathers. my feeders. So my kids, my son, he is sleeping. He woke up. Okay, so this I fold down to get a feeder. Fold up. Fold out this. Fold. This is more detailed work. Need some patience. Okay. So we created feeders. Okay. So other side same way. Okay. One time, second time, third time, another time. More patient need. Patiently, you will get very beautiful Canadian goose. Okay. So the Canadian goose is ready now. So this is my Canadian goose. I created with regular printable paper that my customer supplied to my printing store. The quality is not good for printing, but it's good for working on origami. So see, it's beautiful, huh? It's not easy, but it's realizable. Can be realized. Okay, they fall in love. Okay. So my kids, they are boys, they like fighting. They always add some values to my origami works. For example, they can give this guy 100 attack, 200 life, and 300 recovery capability. And this guy, for example, 110 attack, 200 life, 250 recovery capability. And they will fight. It's interesting and funny. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.